Hey everyone, just wanted to quickly go through my nightly routine because the market's good right now, and my nightly routine does change depending on the market we're in. If we're in a sideways market or a bear market, it's different to right now when we're in a bull market and stuff's going up and we're at new highs. Okay, so every night at the moment I'm going to pattern events. I'm clicking all these bullish patterns you can see there. I'm putting 30 period break up the close and putting within 2% of the last 60 periods of high. Then I'm closing, any close above has to be above the 50 exponential moving average. Ignore results less than 25,000 traded that day. And then I'm scanning all my markets, ASX, NASDAQ, NISI. Let's just do the ASX scan. Okay, and it finds 369 stocks. Now, that might sound like a lot, but I will scroll through them like this, okay? Just super, super, super fast. I've been doing this for, over 20 years, and the more, if you do this every night and you're super consistent, you get super fast at it, and I'll literally it takes me a millisecond to look at the stock and see if I'm interested in the setup that's forming. So ALI is, and I'll just literally scroll like that, okay? And then, every now and then, 1 in 10 stocks, I'll find something that looks epic, and I'll just press plus and add it to my watch list, all right? The next thing I will do is my daily data scan. So that probably takes me less than 5 minutes, literally, because I'm scrolling through them so quickly. Then I go into a data scan, into the data scan, in a box, any box, 30 period with a 6 confirmation of the top, above the 50 exponential moving average and nothing less than 25,000 traded, and I'll scan that. Okay, and then that finds 100 results. This will also take me obviously less than 5 minutes, right, to scroll through. I'm just looking for really tight Davis boxes with blue sky above it and big volume. And then if I see anything that is half interesting, I'll press plus and just add it to the watch list. Okay, then most days, at least a couple times a week, I go into Frank's pattern, press weekly data, scan above the 30 exponential moving average, 30-week exponential moving average, and do that scan. Okay, that found 41 stocks, which will take me like a minute to scroll through. Then I'll go in a couple times a week and I'll do Frank's pattern on daily data, all right? And then sometimes I'll stuff around, do Sam's Davis just once a week these days on, 50, this is my settings, but it doesn't really matter, 55, 73, any box. Do that at least once a week. And then I'm doing a couple times a week, I'll be doing high, 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 low on daily and weekly data. And that's it, because that is finding me pretty much every setup that is worth looking at. This will find. Doesn't mean I take them all. Sometimes I'll make the wrong call and take the wrong ones and miss the good ones. But when I do that scan every single day, literally I never miss a day, and it's all about consistency. If you're consistent with it, you can't help but very, 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 very good at it. Okay. Obviously, every night after I've done my scans, I'll then go through my watch list. I'll then scan through all my possible kind of stock setups that are on the watch list. I'll scroll through them all. 1CG, I added that the other day because I like this resistance here. I like the run up it's had, and now I'm just waiting to see if this can form a huge resistance at this line here of 017, okay? And I'll scroll through it, and it's amazing when you just scroll through them every single night, you see this one forming, right? And I'm just stalking this thing. If this can just keep forming and forming and tightening and tightening, then boom, my order goes in, okay? And it's just a matter of just looking at these every day to see what's happened. I put this one in the other day, A1M, it's on a tri-point resistance and tightening up there. You see how I just look at these every day, and I can be up to speed with exactly what's happening in these stocks, okay? Then obviously I'll go through my self-managed super fund, go through my family trust, and they're really my open trades, IB trades here. I'll go through my open trades, my self-managed super fund, my portfolio, family trust portfolio, and they're the 4 watch lists I look at every night. Okay, that's it. Just to help people with their structure, discipline, and consistency a little bit. Hope it helps someone out there. Take care. Cheers.